Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create an item and track inventory in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on the Items tab in the left-hand panel to view your current inventory. To create a new item, click the New button. This will open a form where you can enter all the necessary details, including the item name, description, and any relevant attributes like size, color, or specifications. Once done, click Save to add the item to your inventory. To track or adjust inventory, go back to the Items tab and select Inventory Adjustments. Here you can update stock quantities, account for new stock, or correct any discrepancies. Make sure your stock levels are accurate to keep your records up to date. And that's it. You've successfully created an item and tracked your inventory in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.